Well, now this Terra Luna Classic proposal to get USTC pegged back to $1, it's moving a lot faster than we would have expected. It's already up for the voting. We've got this going on right now. We discussed it in detail yesterday. We're going to be going over it again today because it has already reached the voting stages, and this signifies a lot for the Terra Luna Classic community and their support for it. We're going to talk about the voting numbers so far, and I'm just going to tell you guys right now that yes, it is getting a lot of community support. So we're going to discuss what this means, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting 12 free stocks. And guys, it is. We could be at the beginning of a bull market. Do not miss out on this. If things continue to take off, now's the time to get in. If not, I understand. But nonetheless, any deposit, 12 free stocks, $1 crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you hold your cryptocurrency on those exchanges, it is considered a loan to those exchanges. I'm not in the game of loaning billion-dollar companies money, so I don't know if you want to or not. If you want it to be your asset, hold it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Guys, let's jump into Terra Luna Classic and what is going on right now. The price, it is following Bitcoin. The price is not reacting the same way that the price of Terra Luna Classic reacted months ago when people were excited about bringing back staking and enabling that burn tax. So that did have a much larger community reaction, but I'm going to tell you guys right now. Okay, this is a dangerous proposal in the sense that it essentially could make or break the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. And I want to discuss why, because it is very important. And I'm telling you right now, if it is successful, and I'm going to give it slim odds of being successful, it is going to be a very difficult proposal to get, not to get passed, but to enact. It is going to be a very difficult proposal to get centralized exchanges on board. But dude, just level with each other. If we can repeg USTC, if we've got the exact same blockchain with the exact same stable coin, with the exact same setup that we had before, why would we not support $60 billion plus valuations like we had just last year? So this is an exciting time, all right? And make or break. We're going to run into some regulation when it comes to trying to repeg this USTC here. Now, so if you guys want a full-on version or look into it a little bit more detail, go watch the video from yesterday to understand exactly what this proposal is proposing. And you can check it out on Rap D-Day or Duncan's Twitter account. And it's flowing all around Twitter right now because it's what everybody's talking about. But nonetheless, if you want all those details, they are very, very detailed. I mean, there's a lot of coding and stuff in there. So you guys can check that out. But nonetheless, in a nutshell, what it plans to do is add fees. Basically, what's going to happen, these parameters are going to be hit, and it's going to add and subtract fees from the USTC trading pair. Now, when this happens, it's going to create arbitrage opportunities for day traders. If you are considering buying USTC or Terra Luna Classic, you can take the buy and hold approach. If this is successful, yes, you will watch your USTC bounce from the 2 cents that it's at right now and go back up eventually to the $1 peg. Now, that would be an incredible 50x gain, and everybody would be happy with that. Now, if you are a day trader or if you are interested in hitting every single one of the swings, this is going to create massive arbitrage opportunities. Now, I personally believe it's going to be known first to those who have access to the code and those who have access to the blockchain. And I don't think that that's necessarily fair. And I believe it's going to cause a lot of problems for transparency and fairness in the markets and centralized exchanges. So with that being said, if it is successful, what is going to happen? These fees are going to be initiated and removed. And let's say that Terra Luna Classic and USTC are, trading at this range right here. When you add the fees, it's going to make sense to sell off. When they subtract the fees, it's going to make sense to buy. And they are going to manipulate the price that way. So we stair step up or ziggurat our way up in this ziggy proposal until we go 1 penny at a time all the way back up to $1. So if you are a day trader and you're looking to take advantage of all of these arbitrage opportunities, sure, there's a very good chance that you could absolutely more than 50x, but we all know that day trading and trying to hit every single swing perfectly creates a lot more risk. So something to look into no matter what your style is with the Terra Luna Classic blockchain right now. It does show a lot of potential. So if we are able to get this USTC repegged to $1, it is really going to open up opportunities that we once had on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. When you think of Terra Luna Classic in its glory days, when Do Kwon was running this $60 billion ecosystem where it had a stable coin and so on, then that is what the goal is of this proposal, to repeg USTC and get us back to our glory days. Now, why do I say it's not going to be easy? Because yes, it is a manual manipulation of the price, creating these arbitrage opportunities all the way back up to $1. No regulators like manipulated prices. I mean, that is going to be very difficult to overcome. And I believe 2023 is going to be a year of not manipulation, but regulation in the cryptocurrency space. Now, if we are able to do that, great. If we're able to sidestep the regulation, if it's not going to hit us, if it's not going to do all of that, great. The next challenge is getting the centralized exchanges on board. It is going to be necessary, and the proposal lays out that it is going to be necessary to get Binance and KuCoin and all of these MEXC Global, like literally all of these exchanges are going to have to agree to these price points, and that's not going to be simple. Guys, we could not get them to agree on a burn tax. In fact, they want their wallets whitelisted. It is going to be very, very difficult to get them to agree to manipulate a price higher when regulatory scrutiny is breathing down their neck in 2023. So nonetheless, it is not going to be easy, but if successful, yes, it will give us that algorithmic stablecoin and the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem that we basically once had. Now, community support, if you're looking at that, this is passing with flying colors so far. It went from the, deposit stage to the voting stage. You don't even have to measure it in hours. You can measure it in minutes. And then, so it got a lot of deposits very quickly. And then as far as voting is concerned, last I looked, it was 95+% passing rate, which obviously signifies that the community is on board with it to give it a try and test it out. 95+% pass rate, it still needs a lot of votes to hit quorum, still needs a lot of votes to make sure that it is going to pass, but nonetheless, things are looking positive right now. I want to know what you guys think. Measure the risks, measure the rewards, and let me know what you guys think about this USTC Terra Luna Classic peg proposal down there. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. You're getting 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.